أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn the haroof-e-murakabat. First of all, what is haroof-e-murakabat? Two or more letters join together to form murakab. Murakab is the singular of murakabat. Pronounce each of the murakab letter separately like the mufradat letter. So we will learn from here. There are three letters joined together which are called haroof-e-murakabat. Ba, lam, ba. Pronounce each of the murakab letters separately. Ba, lam, ba. Ba. Ba pronounced from the wet part of both lips. Ba, lam, ba. Ba, ha, mim. Ha pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. Mim. Mim pronounced from the dry part of both lips. Ba, ha, mim. Ba, ha, mim. Ba, ain, dal. Ba, ain, dal. Pronounce each letter separately. Ba, ain, dal. Do not use sound here. Here we use the pronunciation. Ba, ain, dal. Ain. Ain pronounced from the middle part of the throat. Dal. Dal pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the roots of the top two front teeth. Ba, ain, dal. Ain, ba, dal. Ha, mim, dal. Ha. Ha pronounced from the middle part of the throat. Ha, mim, dal. Ha, lam, kaf. Ha. This one ha pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. Lam, kaf. Kaf. This one kaf will not be bold. Ha, lam, kaf. Ja, ha, ba. Kha, tra, fa. Tra. Tra pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the roots of the top two front teeth. Kha, tra, fa. Kha pronounced from the top part of the throat. Fa pronounced from the edge of the two top front teeth touching the inside part of the lower lip. Fa, kha, tra, fa. Tha, mim, noon. Tha, mim, noon. Ha, sin, noon. Sin. Sin pronounced like a whistle sound. Ha, sin, noon. Fa, hamza, ta. It is a ta, ta. Fa, hamza, ta. Sin, kha, tra. Sin, kha, tra. Kha, lam, qaf. Qaf. This one qaf will be bold. Kha, lam, qaf. Fa, lam, qaf. Noon, fa, sin. Sqad, fa, ta. Sqad. Sqad pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the inner edges of the top two and bottom two front teeth. Sqad. Zqa, lam, lam. Ghain, ba, ra. Sin, hamza, lam. Mim, tra, ra. Tra, ra. Shin, mim, sin. Sheen and seen pronounced like a whistle sound. Sheen, mim, seen. Sheen, kaf, ra. This one kaf will not be bold. Sheen, kaf, ra. Ta, jim, dal. Jim, noon, ta. Today this lesson is enough. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.